Hi, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to the today's maths class. Do you like drawing? Today, we are going to draw a house with the help of various corners of set square. Here is the picture of a house. We are going to draw the house after measuring the length of its sides. I had already measured and written the length of each sides here. The bottom length is 9 cm and it is divided by squares of 3 cm each. First of all, we have to draw a line of length 9 cm. Then mark the end points. Mark a point 3 cm apart and to the next 3 cm apart, mark another point. Then hold the ruler on the line you have drawn and place the set square over the ruler. Mark a point 3 cm apart to the upright. Then slightly move the set square 3 cm apart and mark a point 3 cm to the upright, and then slightly move the set square and mark a point 3 cm apart to the upright. Then invert the position of the set square and mark a point 3 cm apart to its upright. Then draw lines joining these points. After that, join the top end of these lines. Now we have to draw the roof of this house. Look here, we are using this corner of set square for drawing the left side. Now place the set square over the line, touching the left end point. Mark a point here, draw lines joining the points. Then on the right side of the roof is drawn using this corner of the set square. Then place the set square on the line, touching the right end point and mark a point here. Then draw lines joining these points. Here are the measures. From the left end point, mark a point 2.8 cm apart. And from the right end point, mark a point 3.5 cm. Then join these 2 points using the ruler. Erase the extra lines you have drawn. Then join the topmost corner using the ruler. Then the topmost line is 5 cm long. It is separated at 2.5 cm. Mark a point 2.5 cm apart. Then join the points. Now our house is almost completed. Now we have to draw a door for the house. From the bottom line, mark a point 1 cm apart and then mark a point 0.7 cm apart for the door. Then using the set square and the ruler, draw a small rectangle by drawing lines 1 cm apart to the upright. Join these points and make a door for the house. Now our picture is completed. Have you all understood drawing this picture? Then next activity number 2. Rahim put a dot on a paper and draw lines from it using only one corner of a set square to make this picture. How many sides does this figure have? It is a 6-sided polygon and it is a hexagon. For drawing this picture, we have to use this corner of the set square. Now let's draw the picture. Mark a point. Then draw a line 3 cm long. Mark the end points. Write the measure here 3 cm. Then place the set square over the line such that the slanting corner meets the left end point of the line we have drawn. Then mark a point. Then join the points using a ruler. Then take the set square, place it over the line we have drawn now. Then mark a point. Draw lines using the ruler joining these points. Now place the set square. Place the same corner on the end point. Then mark a point. Draw lines joining these points. Then place the same corner on the line we have drawn. Then mark a point here. Then draw a line joining these points. Then repeat the process. Now we have drawn the lines. Now we have to measure 3 cm. Mark the point 3 cm long. Then join the points using the ruler. Then on the next line measure 3 cm. From the center. Then join the points using the ruler. Then on the next line, from the center, mark at 3 cm and join these points using the ruler. Repeat the process. Now erase the extra lines we have drawn. Then write the measures in all its sides. Now we got a polygon. How many sides are there in this figure? Yes, it is having 6 sides. Then number of sides equal 6. Then what is the name of this polygon? It is a hexagon. Have you all understood this? Today we have drawn a picture using different corners of a set square and also drawn a polygon using only one corner of a set square. That's all for today, children. Okay, thank you.